Hello everyone, I'm 𝗂𝗏𝗍𝗫 and I welcome you to today's art and craft class. I'm glad to have you here in a fun and creative session. Today, we are going to learn something super cool, that is weaving. Are you ready to create some colorful magic with your hands? Let's begin. This exciting class is proudly brought to you by KIPS Online School, where learning and creativity go hand in hand. Now let's have a look into the history of weaving. Did you know weaving is one of the oldest art in the world? Thousands of years ago, people used plant fibers and animal wool to make clothes by weaving them together. Weaving helped people make clothes, rugs, baskets, and even shelters. And guess what? Today we will try a simple version of that amazing art. Isn't that cool? Before we start, let's make sure we have all things we need. First of all, we require color paper sheets in two different colors, a scissor, a glue, a pencil, and a ruler. So first we will take a one colored sheet and fold it into an equal half. Now we will take a ruler and a pencil and draw equal segments like this. Now you can see we have drawn some lines on the paper. Now we will take the scissor and cut these lines. We are not supposed to cut the paper all the way. So we have cut the sheet. Now we will put it aside and take the other sheet and draw the strips over it. Now we will cut these strips. Now, after cutting these strips, we'll bring the loom and start weaving these strips over and under like this. In this step, we will go in alternate over and under positions. Now we will repeat the same process. Now we will cut the edges. Now we will take glue and move on to sticking the edges. We're going to repeat the process on the other side as well. Now you can see here is the final result of our activity. Now hold up your woven artwork, everyone. Wow! They look fantastic. All you did such a great job. I'm so proud of your creativity and efforts today. Weaving takes patience, focus, and fun, and you showed all three. Don't forget to share your artwork with your family and friends, or you can display it on the wall in your room. Until next time, stay smiling, keep creative. Bye-bye.
KIPS School, the foundation for life.